Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the US dollar on a weekly chart, and it looks as if the primary trend may be changing. But before we take a look at that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, the US dollar downtrend is in danger of ending on a technical basis, and this is likely due to global reflation expectations that have jumped since January on a relative basis. Let's just take a look at the US dollar chart, and you can see that we have a series of lower peaks followed by lower troughs, and that's the definition of a downtrend. And if I draw a trend line just to take a look at the momentum of this downtrend, it does look as if it is holding, but just barely, right? The other point I want to make is that price is very close indeed to this lower peak right here. And I'll just make this into a dashed line. So if price takes out this dashed line, we don't have a lower peak anymore. That will in fact chart a higher peak. That will break the definition of downtrend. I also want to just point out that the RSI may move above 50. Now, if these take place, we get the higher peak, we get RSI moving above 50. That's a new paradigm because we've been moving down since March last year because of the unlimited QE program by the Fed. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. The US dollar weekly chart shows price near charting a higher peak. If this does chart, it will end the downtrend that resulted from the Fed's unlimited QE policy. And this may have ripple effects as intermarket relationships adjust. I hope you found this snapshot useful. If you did, please click that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.